Hey everyone, I'm Greg from WordPress, and today we're going to be doing some more work with the customizer. In the last video, we changed our site identity, so that is the title and the tagline of our website, but we can also do some more customizations with the WordPress customizer. So why don't we start on our nice looking dashboard over here, and we're going to go over to Appearance, hover over that, and we're going to click Customize. We already did this when we changed the site identity. Here we can change the site title and the tagline again, but really we have a lot more options that we can play with, like the colors, for example. A lot of themes will give you the option to change the site colors, and here we have a lot of control over, really exactly what our site looks like. So, for example, I might want a little bit of a darker background color, so I can just drag that down, and you can see we're getting that live preview of what it's going to look like. And the page, I might want just a little bit lighter to contrast with that dark. And now you can see we're seeing that live preview, nice white looking background. We can also change the link color over here. I'm going to darken that up a little bit as well. And then we can see the main text color, which is this stuff right here, and I'm going to make that just a little bit darker. And we can also change the secondary text color, and I'm going to make that also just a little bit darker. Make it a little easier to see. Now we can also change the header image, and I have one plugged in already. I could hide that so you don't see anything. This is what the default header looks like, so you have to add that image in the customizer. I'm going to my media library, and everything that you upload will automatically go into your media library on WordPress. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to crop it to that size. And there we go, we have a nice looking header image of a city. Background image, I don't have anything selected right now, so why don't we play with that, see what we can do there. I can select this city again, and it pretty much just takes the place of the outline. Menus, if we had two menus, which we don't have right now, we could switch what is showing up on the top navigation. Right now we have home, about, and blog. But if we had two menus, like another one in our footer, we could change the locations of that. And over here we have some widgets. Widgets are what appear on every page of the website. And right now we have a search, we have a little text section, and we have a calendar. And these are very easily changeable. This is really WordPress's finesse and their cream of the crop right here. They're very good with widgets and plugins, and they're also very good at making modifications to these widgets. So we have some text right here and the content right here. The whole point of WordPress is that you're able to make your changes yourself. So that's why this is so nice. So we have that sidebar. We can also add some widgets to other parts of the page. So say I want to add a widget to the bottom. I can add this widget here, and this menu pops up. And I'm going to list all my pages. And that doesn't look all that good, but you can see it brings that pages menu to the bottom. And then, to balance it out, I'm going to add another widget. And I'm going to add, how about a text field with like an about section. About text. And you can see we get that instantly in the preview. So things are looking pretty good here on our site. And finally, we have our website set to a static front page. Now, with a fresh install of WordPress, I don't know exactly why they do this, but they set it to the latest posts. So it will look something like this when you just get WordPress with saying hello world. To get that look that we were after before, we have to change it to a static page, which actually we have it set to sample page right now. We could also change it to about, so the home page is really our about page. But we also want a post page for our blog to go, and of course that is set to blog. You'll have to make that page, which we're going to get into in the next video. And of course we have to hit that big blue button to save our changes, and we'll refresh. And we have kind of a new look going on now that we worked with the customizer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.